High above Earth's quiet night sky, a shimmering light tore through the atmosphere. People thought it was just a shooting star, but in reality, it was a small spacecraft descending from the distant planet Aurelia. From it emerged Tati, a young alien woman with hair that shimmered like galaxies and eyes that glowed like twin moons. She had come not to conquer, but to explore, to find a new beginning. At first, Earth was overwhelming to her. The oceans roared, the cities buzzed with life, and humans stared at her strange appearance with a mix of fear and curiosity. Yet Tati's heart was pure, and soon she revealed her kindness when she saved a child from a terrible accident, using her otherworldly powers. Among the crowd that day stood Adam, a brave young man with a compassionate heart. Unlike others, he did not run or hide. Instead, he stepped forward and whispered, "You are different, but you are beautiful." From that moment, their story began. Adam taught her the ways of Earth, its music, its laughter, its simple joys. Tati, in return, showed him the wonders of the cosmos. Together, they discovered a bond that was deeper than the stars themselves. But their happiness did not last long. Far away, on Aurelia, Tati's family and the High Council learned that she had fallen in love with a human. To them, this was a betrayal of their kind. They feared her bond with Earth would weaken their race. And so they made a decision. They would come to claim her and to conquer Earth. One night, the skies over Earth lit up with warships descending like burning comets. Cities trembled. Humanity panicked. The Aurelian fleet demanded that Tati return or watch Earth be destroyed. Torn between her family and the man she loved, Tati faced the hardest choice of her life. "If you want me," she shouted at the sky, "you will have to face not just me, but all of Earth." Adam stood by her side. The humans, though afraid, united behind them. Scientists, soldiers, and ordinary people came together, determined to defend their home. What followed was an epic battle. Earth's fighter jets against alien craft, humanity's resilience against alien technology. At the height of the war, Tati revealed her hidden power, a radiant force drawn from the stars themselves. With Adam's encouragement, she unleashed it, creating a shield of light that protected Earth from destruction. Finally, the Aurelian leader, her own father, confronted her. "You belong with us, Tati, not with these fragile creatures." But Tati, standing hand in hand with Adam, replied, "Love makes us stronger than any weapon. These humans are not fragile, they are extraordinary." With those words, she turned her power against the invading fleet. The warships retreated, broken and defeated. Earth had won. In the aftermath, Tati and Adam stood before the world. Despite her alien form, Adam chose her without hesitation. Their wedding became a symbol of hope, proving that love could overcome fear, unite worlds, and even stop a war. And under the same stars that brought her to Earth, Tati whispered to Adam, "I found my home in you."